Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to learn level 2 one-handed skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Upgrading your one-handed skill is extremely important since most of the weapons you'll acquire early in the game are one-handed weapons. To start, you first need to be in the new camp, as you can see here on the map. We also have a video on the channel covering how to get to the new camp if you don't have a map yet, so please make sure to check it out. Once you're in the new camp, follow my path until you reach the tavern. You'll eventually come across the tavern as you can see right here. Walk a little further past it and you'll eventually come across an NPC named Cord standing near the edge of a cliff. This is where you can upgrade your one-handed skill, which increases your critical strike chance and allows you to perform combos, parries, and attack cancels. It's extremely important to upgrade your one-handed skill if you want to take on stronger enemies more effectively. And that's how to learn level 2 one-handed skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.